Hi there! Welcome to our channel, Learning Languages by Listening and Practicing. Let's start.
Topic: Booking a hotel in San Francisco. First trip jitters. Setting: Hotel reception desk in San Francisco.
Hi there. I'm hoping to book a room for my upcoming trip to San Francisco. It's actually my first time there, so I'm a little excited. And maybe a bit overwhelmed.
Don't worry at all, Ava. That's completely understandable. San Francisco is a wonderful city, and we're happy to help make your first visit unforgettable. How long will you be staying with us?
Just 3 nights, from the 15th to the 18th of this month.
Great. Let me see what available rooms we have for those dates. Do you have any particular preferences in terms of location, budget, or amenities?
Oh, budget is important. I'm traveling solo and don't want to break the bank. But a nice view would be amazing, and maybe somewhere close to public transportation.
Absolutely. We have a few options that might fit your needs perfectly. We have a standard room with a cozy city view, and it's within walking distance of several cable car lines and bus stops.
A city view sounds lovely. What about the price?
That room would be $180 per night. We also have a smaller single room with no view, but it's quieter and slightly cheaper at $150 per night.
The city view is tempting, but maybe the quieter room would be better for exploring during the day.
Of course. The choice is entirely yours. Both rooms are comfortable and clean, and they come with our standard amenities like free Wi-Fi and breakfast.
Perfect. I think I'd prefer the quieter room then. Would I need to book it online beforehand?
Not at all. We have plenty of availability for your dates. Would you like me to go ahead and process the reservation for you?
Yes, please. That would be amazing. Is there anything else I need to know?
We just require a valid ID and credit card for the reservation. We also offer parking options if you'll be bringing a car.
I won't have a car, but thanks for letting me know. Is there anything else I can do to prepare for my stay?
We'll send you a confirmation email with all the details about your reservation and the hotel amenities. We also have a handy guide on our website with recommended activities and attractions in San Francisco.
That's fantastic. Thank you so much for your help, Ben. I feel much more relaxed now.
My pleasure, Ava. We're looking forward to welcoming you to San Francisco and making your first trip truly special. Have a wonderful stay.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow our next videos.